Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Fizzy. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a beef pho stock in less than 3 hours. Okay? So here I got 2 packages of beef ribs. Okay, 1 full oxtail, 1 package of beef bones, some rock sugar, some pho seasoning, ginger, and onions. Okay, so first things first, guys, I peeled the onions. Okay, I give them a wash. Now we're gonna put them in the oven. Okay, so the natural sugars can release. We got some ginger here that I smashed. I washed and I smashed. It's going right into the oven. Okay. Right into the oven at 350. Okay, we'll give it about 45 minutes. We'll roast it about for 45 minutes. Okay guys, so to my pot, I've added the beef bones, the oxtail, and the beef ribs, okay? And I added cold water. We're gonna bring this to a first boil. Then we're gonna dump it out, clean up the bones, clean up the pot, and bring in another boil, okay? Here guys, I'm just toasting up my pho seasoning. You can buy this at any Asian grocery store. It comes in small packages. Comes with a seasoning bag as well. Okay guys, don't forget that. This is very important, okay? So just toast up your seasoning for at least 30 minutes, okay guys? You want the flavors and aromas to release, man. So at least try to toast it for at least 30 minutes, okay? Be patient, okay? So okay guys, see? After your first boil, all that the muckiness and all the unwanted protein and stuff coming to the top. Now we're gonna dump this all out and wash all the bones and rewash the pot and refill it with cold water and start it again, okay? After you dump all the water, rinse the bones, every single bones individually under running cold water, just to clean out all the munkiness and the grittiness of it. You know how clean it is, okay? Now we're gonna fill it up with cold water and start our broth. Okay, cold water, okay guys? Always remember, when you're making a stock, always use cold water, right? So when you get your pot back onto the stove, throw in your roasted onions, okay? Onions and ginger, okay? Just throw it in there. Ginger in there. Okay, let's bring this up to a boil. Alright? Okay guys, once it gets boiling like this, turn down the heat to medium-high, spoon number 5, and you skim the impurities, okay? Alright guys. Okay guys, now we're gonna season it. Okay? I got 1 cup of sugar. Okay? 1 cup of sugar, okay? 1/3 of a cup of salt. 1/3 of a cup of salt. 1/4 cup MSG. 1 chunk of rock sugar, okay? 1 chunk of rock sugar about this big, okay guys? Look. Okay, just drop it in there. Okay guys, in goes the spice bag, okay? About an hour and a half in, I removed the seasoning packet because I don't want my broth to get too dark. So this is how the broth looks now, guys. Okay, don't stir the pot too much or else the broth is gonna get dark. So I just checked the beef ribs and oxtail. It's not quite ready yet, so another an hour and a half. Okay, so the total time will be about 3 hours. Okay, for this broth, right? Another hour and a half, and the beef ribs and oxtail should be nice and tender, and we can get ready to start plating. All right. Guys, so it's been 3 hours now. Now I'm just gonna check on the beef rib. Okay, it's falling off the bones tender. Okay, so we're gonna take it out now and switch it to a smaller pot. Okay, and we're ready to play it. Oh, so when you serve it, all right, add just a few squirts of fish sauce. It's already good, but we're just gonna add just a few dash, just for the umami flavor. Okay, all right. And now we're gonna throw in the beef balls. There you go. Okay, we'll bring this up to a boil and then We'll serve it out. Hey guys, so here's the final product. Look at that. We got like beef blade, oxtail, whole rib, some marrow, some beef balls, okay? Oh, God, delicious stuff, guys. Damn, right? Shit's juicy.